In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a certificate design in Microsoft Word. If you need a polished certificate for an award, a training completion, or a special recognition, you don't have to start from scratch. Microsoft Word includes a gallery of professionally designed certificates you can access in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through how to find them quickly and choose a design that fits your occasion. First, open Microsoft Word and go to the File tab in the top left corner. This takes you to the main hub, where you manage documents and discover templates. From here, look for the option labeled More Templates. Clicking this opens the full catalog, rather than the small set you might see on the home screen. If your version of Word looks a little different, don't worry. The wording can vary, but you're aiming for the full template library, not just the quick picks. Next, use the search box in the Templates gallery and type certificates. Press Enter, and Word will fetch a curated list of certificate designs. Make sure you're connected to the internet, since many of these are online templates. You'll typically see options for achievement, participation, completion, appreciation, and more, often in different styles like classic borders, modern minimalist layouts, or colorful themes. If results look sparse, try variations like certificate or award to broaden the search. When you see a design you like, select it to open a preview. Take a moment to check the overall style, the border details, and where the text fields are placed. Look for notes on orientation and paper size so it fits your printer, whether that's letter or A4. Consider how the colors will look when printed. Bold colors can pop on glossy paper, while muted tones feel refined on standard stock. If Word shows alternate color schemes or related layouts in the preview, browse those before you commit. Once you're confident, choose the option to open the template so it loads as a new document, ready for your content. That's all there is to it. By navigating to File, opening more templates, searching for certificates, and selecting a design that suits your purpose, you'll have a professional certificate foundation in place within minutes. From here, you can tailor the text and details to match your event, and you're set for a clean, reliable print. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your certificate in Word.